Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to join a group on Roblox. So guys, at first go to your Roblox. Now tap on the three dot icon in the right side of corner. Tap on groups. Tap on more groups. Now tap on the search bar and search here the group name that you want to join. Now select the group that you want to join. So I am selecting this one. Tap on join group. So guys, as you can see, you have successfully joined the group. So guys, that's it. This is very easy to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.